Okay, dear participants, I am Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar, Assistant Professor in Political Science, JT Art Science Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear students, dear participants, as you know very well, Savitribai Phule Pune University introduced this paper for all students of UG first year in all faculties, entitled as Democracy, Election and Governance, and 2 credits are given for this purpose. Now, I'm here to present on a very important topic, that is government and governance. Dear participants, as you know very well that सर ये next नहीं हो रहा है सर. Government and governance are the two different words. सर excuse me, ये नीचे कीजिए, ये नीचे कर दीजिए क्योंकि मेरे को ऊपर पढ़ना है ना, वो पढ़ने नहीं दिया ये. हाँ, मिनिमाइज. Okay. Dear participants, government and governance are sorry, many people are waiting in the waiting room, that's why. Government and governance are the two very similar words. People often get confused about the differences between governance and government. Here we are going to discuss the difference between these two related words. Dear participants, as we know very well that these are the two different words, governance and government. But most of the time we all are getting confused about such type of words like governance and government. Then we are going to discuss about the difference between these two related words. सर ये क्यों है तो रुक जा रहा है, ये आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा है प्रेजेंटेशन. कहाँ से बढ़ेगा, इससे बढ़ाए हो, इससे ये. Okay. Dear participants, government is a group of people who rule or run the administration of a country. It means that government एक ऐसे लोगों का ग्रुप है जो के गवर्नमेंट रन कर रहे हैं. A group of people who are running the administration of a country. In other words, it may be said that a government is a body of representatives that governs and controls the state at a given time. Government is the medium through which the power of the state is employed. It means that we can say the representatives body governs and control of the state at a given time, that is 5 years. For the 5 years, if elected representatives are there, they are the running the government of the state. Now, sir, यहाँ पे क्लिक करके इधर. Okay, participant, government may be of different types. It may be a democracy or autocracy. Means there are two types of government, but most of the time in modern era, in the modern governments, there are democratic in nature. Here we are taking into consideration the democratic one in relation with the government. It means that there are two types of government, democracy or autocracy. But in modern era, in modern time, we are seeing that most of the government are democratic in nature. Now, the next is the purpose and objects of government. Means on which purpose government is functioning. Then we will see that. many purposes and objectives of the government. That is domestic order and tranquility. Second one is common defense of the state. Third one is blessings of liberty and peace. Fourth one is promotion of general welfare. And fifth one is promotion of public morality. In short, we can say that each and every government is present for the maintaining the domestic order. Means the peace and law of the country should be maintained. It is the main purpose of each and every democratic country. Common defense is one of the important purpose of government. Along with that, there is blessing of liberty and peace, general welfare of all, public morality. So these are the very important things we can see in this. Now there is governance. In governance, we can see governance is the act of governing or ruling. It is the set of rules and laws framed by the government that are to be implemented through